Roughly 45,000. That's how many Covenant healthcare patients could have potentially had their information exposed after a hack of 2 email accounts.
Healthcare is kind of a treasure trove for hackers.
Because the hackers potentially had access to patient names, their social security numbers, driver's license info, patient account numbers, medical record numbers, and more.
These hackers take that information and usually they don't try to exploit it. They usually try to sell it on the dark web.
How much do people typically pay for that kind of info?
Usually it's like $1 or $2 per person's information. But you're talking about thousands, if not tens of thousands of pieces of information.
However, a Covenant spokeswoman says they don't believe the intent of the hack was to mine and sell patient data, but to sell access to Covenant's network on the dark web, which is where the FBI first discovered this data breach, seeing the Covenant network info up for sale. 2 Covenant email accounts had been breached in May 2020. It was discovered in December. Covenant says it's learned how the hack happened since it's established multi-factor authentication and is increasing security measures. Covenant is also sending letters to patients who could have been affected. It includes instructions on protecting credit information.
My wife actually got a letter yesterday saying that her information had been compromised as part of that attack.
Carl Hayden, an IT expert with Hayden Technology Solutions, says these hacks happen all the time. In this case, there's not much patients could have done to protect themselves. They'll just need to keep an eye on their financial information. Scott Walczek, WNEM TV5.